Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine 2x to the power of 5, we can write into cosine 2x to the power of 4 multiplied by cosine 2x. And this one we can write into cosine 2x squared, everything to the power of 2. Now we can apply the formula in here. That's about cosine 2x squared plus sine 2x squared equals to number 1. So I will put sine 2x squared go to the right. So we have cosine 2x squared equal to 1 minus sine 2x squared. So I will put this one to replace this one. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine 2x. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equal to 2 cosine 2x dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u, so we have u squared. This one we change by u, we have u to the power of 8. Cosine 2x dx we change by du over number 2. Now we need to expand this one. So 1 divided by u to the power of 8, u squared divided by u to the power of 8, and so on. So we will have about u to the power of negative 8 minus 2u to the power of negative 6 plus u to the power of negative number 4. Because 2 minus 8, you got about negative number 6. 4 minus 8, you got about negative number 4. And now we apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply this one for here. So we will have about 1 over 2 multiplied by u to the power of negative 8 plus 1 over negative number 8 plus 1. And we have u to the power of negative number 6 plus 1 over negative number 6 plus 1. The next one, that's about negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And we put about c. So this one we have negative number 7. We have negative number 7. This one we have negative number 5. This one we have negative number 5. This one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. Negative with negative, you got about positive. About u, that is about sine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.